Hello friends, today we'll be learning about structure and characteristics of normal cell and a cancer cell. We all know that a cell is a basic unit of every living thing. It can be also called as building blocks. Well, what makes the difference between a normal cell and a cancer cell? Let's see. A normal cell can function properly by specific characteristics, whereas a cancer cell is a complex genetic disease that is caused by specific change in the genes of one cell or a group of cells. And these changes will disrupt the normal functioning of the cells and cause the cells to grow and divide continuously without any stop. That is uncontrollable growth, and which leads to the formation of tumor. These genetic changes that contribute to cancer usually affects three main type of genes, and they are proto-oncogenes, tumor suppressor genes, and DNA repair genes. Now let's see the characteristics of normal cell. A normal cell can control their own growth using external signals and undergo programmed cell death, stick together by maintaining selective adhesion, and differentiate into specified cells with specific function. Now let's see the characteristics of cancer cells. They avoid immune destruction, enable replicative immortality, active invasion and metastasis, induce oncogenesis, resist cell death, degenerate cellular energetics, sustain proliferative signaling, evade growth suppressor, possess genome instability and mutation, mediate a tumor associated inflammatory response. Now let's see the difference between normal cell and cancer cell. The main characteristic is pleomorphism, which means it shows multiple nuclei of varying size in cancer cells. Hyperchromatism, more stained nuclear chromatids. Polymorphism means large nucleus. Aneuploidy, that is extra chromatids, and abnormal chromosome arrangement. The difference between normal cell and cancer cell based on cell shape is normal cell has different shape for different cell, but these will be of same function or of same target. For example, all RBCs will have biconcave shape, but when it compared to nerve cells, it is different because nerve cells will be elongated and RBCs will be biconcave shape. Whereas cancer cells, all cell shape is irregular and misshapen, and it cannot have a regular or a precise shape or size. Nucleus in case of normal cell is smooth, uniform and spheroid in shape, whereas cancer cell it is misshapen, bulges known as blebs is found, and it is multinucleated. Chromatids is fine and evenly distributed in normal cell, where it is aggregated and coarse in cancer cells. Nucleolus is single and inconspicuous in normal cell and multiple enlarged nucleoli in cancer cells. Cytoplasm is large cytoplasmic volume in normal cell and smooth or small cytoplasmic volume in cancer cells. Growth is controlled in normal and uncontrolled in cancer cells. Maturation is a mixture kind in normal cell but immature and undifferentiated in cancer cells. Blood supply, normal angiogenesis in normal cell and tumor induced angiogenesis in cancer cells. Oxygen, normal cell will favor aerobic respiration, but in case it can go anaerobic as well. But cancer cells undergo only anaerobic respiration. Now there is a diagram between normal cell and cancer cell. Through this diagram you will able to differentiate the difference between both the cells. I hope you have understood, and thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.